Namaste.
Yes, ma'am.
Namaste. Okay. Drona, can I call attention of the students? Please respond, children. Drona,
Yes, ma'am.
Daksh.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Ashwath, I can hear you. Yes, Ashwath, I can hear you. Children, are you able to see the screen, children?
No, ma'am. No,
No?
no.
1 minute, children. Why it is now? Yes, children, now you are able to see?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right, children, right. Are you going to schools, children, nowadays? So you are in online classes.
Ma'am, I was going from
Ma'am,
8th, ma'am. I was
Ma'am,
going from 8th
Ma'am,
8th
I'm
November.
planning to
Ma'am,
go
I'm not planning
next
to go
week,
any school.
ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm not going anytime soon.
Okay, right. Ma'am. Please take care. If you are going, please take care yourself.
Ma'am, I was going from 8th, ma'am. 8th November.
November 8th. How you feel, children? Are you comfort? Yes.
I got cold, ma'am.
Yeah, that's why. Please take care, children. Please take care. Yeah. Now my question to Drona, please tell an exponential form of the given m multiplied like that 20 times. Please give an exponential form for this term, algebraic term.
Ma'am, I actually missed the last few classes, ma'am.
Nothing
the
to worry.
power of
It's very
Ma'am,
similar.
is it
20.
m into 20, ma'am?
No,
M to the
m power
power of
numbers. These are
20.
power numbers. M power 20. Very good.
Ma'am, if you know the answer, we'll just set our status to reason and you can pick from them.
Suppose the same question. It's a before case is multiplication. Now it is addition. It 20 times. So please, what is the answer, Ashwath Reddy?
Ma'am, M into M times 20.
So
Yes.
this can be written as, this can be numerical part will come first, then variable in multiplication. So 20? Yeah.
20.
Right, children. Like this is a basic question. If sometimes, if any time is tested, you're supposed to be very careful with power numbers and times numbers. Please take care. And other question is very similar. A multiplied with 2 times, B multiplied with 5 times, B multiplied with 5 times, and C multiplied with 3 times. Who will express in power notation?
Ma'am, A multiplied 2 times and B multiplied 5 times, then C multiplied 3 times.
How
A-
big?
A to, ma'am, A to the power 2
Very good.
plus
B
A
to,
to
no,
the power 2
no,
into
no.
A to the power
Ma'am,
2
is
into
square.
B to the power 5 into C to the power 3.
Good, Nana. This is an exponential form or power notation, Nana. Please remember. Please remember. Next one. This is another part. Daksh, you're supposed to answer this question. And the next question too, I will call each and everyone in the class. This is
What is that -2?
it's a number, numerical part, a
yeah.
coefficient. So y multiplied with y 4 times. Come on, Daksh.
Ma'am, I didn't really understand that thing. -2 thing. Ma'am, may I?
Who is that? May I? Ashwath Reddy? No, I want Edhard. Are you there, Edhard?
Yes, ma'am.
You keep -2 as it is. Daksh, the rest of the part you supposed to please tell.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Okay, Varnika.
Mom, minus 2ab square y to the power of 4.
Very good. Y to the power 4. Right. Very good. This is the way we can express power notation too.
Ma'am, so we have to keep -2 as it is, and if there is only one a, we have to keep a as it is.
Yes, exactly,
B into
exactly.
the power of 2 and 3.
Exactly, Daksh. That is a coefficient, very coefficient
ma'am.
part. Don't worry about that.
Understood.
Yes. Because these situations you will get in your next class. So that time, if you are seeing, don't be panic. It is a power notation. Next one. I want to write each of the following terms as a product of product form. Just before we write as a power notation. Now I'm giving a power notation. You're supposed to expand that power notation. I want answer from Lohini.
Ma'am, we will just give you the answer in the direct message.
Yes. Lohini, but from whom I'm calling, please respond, Lohini.
Yes, ma'am.
Lohini, can you please expand this power notation?
6 into a into a into a into a, like 5
Very
times.
good. 5 times a unit. Very good. Next question goes to Daksh, please. 7a square b cube.
Ma'am, 7 into a.
Sometimes into multiplication symbol, I can put dot also. Children,
Yes,
don't
ma'am.
worry about that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And then b into b.
Right. Next.
Ma'am, I gave answer.
Yes, you are correct. Next, my question to
Drona.
Yeah, Drona, you are a to the power n.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am, this is kind of hard.
No hard.
But I have the answer.
Who will? I think Ashwath is ready to give.
A
That-
into
Correct. A multiplied. Power how many times?
10 times.
That's all. That is the power notation, how to express, children. Please remember, whenever you are getting, don't be panic. Ma'am, I didn't see power notation. These are power. We have a few numbers in power notation too. Don't worry about it. Next one.
Ma'am, the question was a n.
AN. AN means, this is different. AN means A multiplied with N. This is not a power notation. So, but A power N means it's an exponential form. A multiplied with A multiplied so on N times. How many times? N times. Now you understand, Lohini, difference between AN and A power N?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. This is few things, children. And next, please let me open your textbook. Like and unlike terms, how to fundamental operations on algebra also we have. Not only these, children, we have other things, solving simple equations. How to solve a simple equations also we have. These are few things you're supposed to learn. In this chapter, main thing, children, how many terms you have, what are the factors of a given algebraic expression, what is a variable, what is a constant term, types of expressions like a monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomial. Yeah, today we will go with different types of expressions, children. Types of
Mom, I
expressions
learned them in my school, mom.
today.
No, mom. Like before week Saturday, mom.
Okay, types of expressions. What are different types of expressions, children? So suppose there are
Monomial, binomial, and other
monomial.
binomial.
James only,
Binomial.
I am the monarch. One of the king, the social subject you learned. I am the
And
monarch.
also in some in other ways also mono means one, bio means two, and
Tri means three.
yes ma'am, tri means three.
Tetranomial.
General term we can use as a polynomial. Very good.
Poly,
Poly means multinomial or polynomial. Both are same meaning.
like polygon.
Yes, like polygon. Very good. Very good. And now in
It's
monomial.
like a prefix, ma'am.
Only single term, Nana. Single term. Single term.
Single term and binomial.
Examples you have to take here. 1 minute, children. Child is waiting here. Yeah, single term. Suppose examples x or else 2. 2 is also a single term, or some y square, some m cube. Like that, we have single terms. Binomial means two terms, Nana. Two terms.
20.
Examples x plus y and
X plus
5 plus z. Here you just see there are two terms. Yes. If you any expression having two terms, we call it as binomial. An expression having a single term, we call it as a monomial. An expression having
Trinomial.
means
Three.
three, Nana. Three terms.
Yes, ma'am.
So x plus y
Mama,
plus.
Mom, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Yeah, please, Nana.
Ma'am, in monomial,
Yeah.
if there are two terms given like x
Same,
square plus
same.
y square,
Very good. X square plus
then
2x
we can
square.
simplify it, no, ma'am.
Very good, Varnika. Very good, very
Then
good.
will it be monomial, ma'am?
Yes, it is monomial. But generally, I will tell that conditions also I will teach you. X square plus 2x square is 3x square. If you, because these two are like terms, if unlike means we can go different. If like terms means you can simplify further and you make it as a monomial. Very good, very good, very good, Varnika. Good job. Children, did you understand what Varnika is asking?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Varnika is asking about, ma'am, suppose x plus 4x is there. Is it binomial or monomial?
Binomial.
No, no, children. That's why I'm asking.
Monomial.
Why? Because here x and 4x are like terms. You can add up one. X means 1x. 1x and 4x gives you 5x, right? 5x
ma'am.
is a single term. It's not a two terms. So we can say it's because of given expressions having a like terms. You can simplify further and make as a single term. Then it's a monomial. Very good. Understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
The same way, suppose sometimes there are questions like 5x minus 2x. Is it monomial or binomial?
3x. Monomial.
Monomial,
3x.
ma'am.
3x resulting is 3x, so monomial. Like that, we can see even whether like terms or unlike terms. Also very important concepts. Please, in the competitive areas, they will test that knowledge only. But you are aware about that, you can go confidently. Suppose a trinomial having three terms, x plus y plus z, or x minus y plus 5. So here you have to check there are different unlike terms. We can't combine these terms because all are unlike. So it's a trinomial.
Okay. Ma'am, I'll be away for a while because I need to sharpen my pencil.
Okay, okay. Next, the next general term polynomial. A polynomial is an algebraic expression containing one or more terms, children. You can include monomial is a polynomial, binomial is a polynomial, trinomial is a polynomial. General term we can use as polynomial. What is the general term we are using in algebra, children? Polynomial or multinomial. Both meanings are same, children. Poly means many, more than one. That's why the expression having one or more terms, but no term is a polynomial. As a variable, suppose we can take a polynomial example, x plus 1 by 5y plus z plus, this is one. Even x is another, this is a monomial also polynomial, binomial is a polynomial, trinomial is a polynomial. So one or more terms. An expression having one or more terms, general term we will use as a polynomial or multinomial. This is very, very important concept, children. Yes, children, hope you understand. Any doubt over here, please let
No,
me know.
ma'am.
If any like terms occurs, then you be little careful, children. Whether which is binomial. Suppose one example, anyway, we are doing this. My question is, which of the following are binomials? Which of the following are binomials? Or binomials. In this case, you see, children, I'm giving few examples. You just tell which is a binomial. X plus 5y minus 2x. And the second one is x square plus y square plus 2y square. Next, third one is 4x square minus 3x square plus x square or minus x square. Now, which of the following is a binomial?
May I?
1 minute, ma. I want from Sri Harsha. Are you there, Sri Harsha?
Ma'am.
Sri Harsha, here there are three terms. Three terms. By seeing only, you can say three terms. Is there any like terms? First of all, you check, children. Is there any like terms? Yes. Here, variable power and a variable is same. So
Ma'am.
x and
Ma'am,
y.
actually, n and x is different, right, ma'am?
No, these both are x, Nana. Don't take as n. Both are x only.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I'll again check it.
Now you need to simplify, children. Like terms, you can subtract x minus 2x. We know that very well. Integers, greater number have negative sign. You have to put negative and subtract. X minus 2x is minus xy. So 5y minus x is a binomial. Yes, it is binomial. Even though if you are seeing it looks three terms, but there are like terms you need to simplify further, and you have to write it as a binomial. Right, children? Any doubt over here? Yes, any doubt, Nana? Yeah, next, there, yes, where is who is the Varnika, what is the second expression? Is it a trinomial or binomial?
Ma'am, it's trinomial, ma'am.
Oh, no. You just
Ma'am, we can simplify it, ma'am.
y square and y square, same powers, same. So 1y square plus 2y square together?
4.
3y square.
Wait.
1
Oh,
plus
yeah.
1 plus 2 enta?
3.
So it's nothing but x square plus 3y square. So it's a binomial. In this case, last case, you see, children, 4x square. This is minus 3 minus 1. Total together minus 4x square. Both get cancelled and a 0. So it's not a binomial. It's only a value is 0, so it's not a binomial.
Then what? It's more.
Only first two are binomials. Rest are no binomials. Okay. Right, children. Please, this one you will learn in detail in class 7. Don't worry if you are getting. It's okay if you have doubt. Don't worry about the part because you are too small. This is the first year introduction of algebra for you. Anyway, the next consecutive years you are learning. Don't worry about it. Can we go with the fundamental operations on algebraic expressions? Yes. How to?
Yes, ma'am.
No. What are like and unlike terms? Did I give in this like
Yes,
and
ma'am.
unlike? Yes.
They
Like
have the same variable, ma'am.
same variable and same power. Suppose you see here x is there. Here minus 4x is there. Is it like terms or unlike terms?
Mom,
Like Nana, like. Why? Because no need of coefficient part. Suppose here x is there, minus 4x square is there. Is it like or unlike?
Like, ma'am? No.
No.
No, not like.
So here power, no power means you take it as 1. So power here 1, here power 2. So power is not same. These are unlike Nana. Even though variable is the same, but powers are not same. So we can write it as unlike terms. Like terms means the same variable should be present. Same power of the variable should be present. If power is not same also, both are not alike. They are unlike. Understand, children? Now, you see, minus 2x square y and minus 4xy square. Is it like or unlike? Come on, quick. You should be perfect in
unlike.
class. Unlike. Why, ma? Why? Can you please tell Varnika?
Mom, in first one, x has a power
Power 2.
2, ma'am.
Here power 1. Very good, Nana. These are unlike. Very good. Now, like and unlike terms you are aware about means we will go directly fundamental operations on algebra. You know what is coefficient? What is coefficient, children? Suppose minus 8x square is there. What is coefficient of x square here? Yes. What is coefficient?
-8, ma'am.
That's all. Coefficient means sometimes they will specifically mention the numerical coefficient or sometimes generally they will use coefficient. Nana. You can write -8. Suppose the question is given like that. So you need to find only value of y coefficient. What is y coefficient? You just leave y and rest all the part is y coefficient. What is y coefficient?
-8x, ma'am.
That's all, children. That's all. If you know these points, we will directly go with fundamental operations. Shall we go with fundamental operations on expressions, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very simple task, Nana. If you are understand, it's very simple. If you are not understanding, you are feel little pain when you are understanding. You feel mom is unable to get the point. Because this week we are going to test on fundamental operations, Nana. We have only 2 operations, Nana. Multiplication and division you will learn in your class 7 and 8th classes. We have only addition and subtraction. Only addition and subtraction. Come on, children, let me see fundamental operations like addition and subtraction on algebra. Fundamental operations on algebraic expressions. Like terms you can combine, children. Unlike terms you can't combine. You have to write as it is. That's the point you need to remember. Addition. I am taking with a small example of addition. Here, you need to add 4x, comma 4x, comma 6y square, comma 5x, and 9y square, Children, there are how many terms you have, children? Please let me know how many terms you need to add. I will write first whatever the numbers are given. 4x plus 6y square plus 5x plus 9y square. Yes, by seeing it seems what are like terms, Nana, in this?
Ma'am, it is
Ma'am,
4x,
4x
5x.
and 5x are like terms, 6y
So
square
I'm
and
taking
9y
together,
square are
Nana.
like terms.
Like terms I'm taking together first. Then
Ma'am, 4x to the power 2, ma'am.
6y square plus 9y square is another like term. So I'm just making as a group, children. Now
Ma'am,
you know
4x
this
times
4
2.
plus, you just add the new coefficient 4 plus 5
Ma'am,
common.
9x.
Very good. Then same
9x plus
6 plus
uh,
9 you have to add and put variable as y square. Then you have to write result.
Ma'am, 15y square.
9x plus 15y square. That's all, ma'am. Very good. Children, did you get the point? Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Shall I give one more bit for you? You will try right now.
yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please add 2a plus 3b. This is one mono binomial, Nana. You need to add with another binomial. 6a plus 7b. You have to add, Nana.
Ma'am, that 6A is my
Ma'am.
brother's section, ma'am, and 7B is my
No,
6 is my
this is one
Ma'am,
binomial. This is one binomial. You are adding all. You are adding means you just keep a plus sign between the terms, Nana. Just you take first step as 6a, all together you have to add up. Now you just see Sri Harsha, what are like terms, Sri Harsha, here?
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Ma'am,
Wait, Nana.
like
Wait. The Varnika, please wait. Varnika, you are perfect with this.
2A,
Very good.
6A.
2a plus 6a. Very good. These are like.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
next are 3B plus 7B.
Wonderful, Nana. Wonderful. Now, what are numerical values here? Please add up to take a numerical part separate. 2 plus 6.
Sir, sorry, ma'am, it's 8A
Okay.
plus 10B.
3 plus 7b. So here 2 plus 6 is 8a. And here 7
10B.
10b. That's all, Nana. That's all. Can I give few bits, Nana, for the like that? Can you add up right now? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
now your task in addition on
Ma'am,
this.
give me a very big one.
Big one little later, Nana. You should not confuse. You have to add. There are I'm giving one binomial like a 4a plus 5b, 4a plus 5b, and 8a plus 7b. Come on, children. And I want Lohini and where is Yadharth? Yadharth, nowadays you are very calm. Why, Yadharth? What happened? Yadharth.
Ma'am, I'm just learning.
Ma'am, 12A plus 12B.
Wait, man. Don't. Yes, you are correct. I think you are correct. Absolutely correct with that. Please wait. Yadharth, Lohini, Sri Harsha should answer. Remaining all are responding. Drona, where are you?
Ma'am, I'm there, ma'am.
Drona, can you please tell like terms in this
Ma'am, 4A and 8A, ma'am.
very good. Then another pair of like terms.
Ma'am, 5B and 7B, ma'am.
Very good. Can you please add up of 4A and 8A together?
Ma'am,
Yes,
it will
ma'am.
take some time for
Ma'am,
me because I'm
12A,
sending the full
ma'am.
explanation.
The first
Yes.
one's answer is 12A and the
Yeah.
second one's answer is 12B.
In this, what are common once again? Can I take common?
Ma'am, 12, ma'am.
So bracket I can use common things. If I'm taking bracket, I can use in bracket what is left over A plus B. Right, Nana? Like
Yes, ma'am.
if you distribute the same thing, you will get the same previous step again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Till here, I think my students are perfect with this. The same way subtraction also happens. Anyway, we will just go with the addition part, little tricky ones. These are very simple ones. Little complex ones we will see right now. Please add. There are trinomial is given. A minus 2b plus 5c added with minus 7a and plus 3b and minus 8c.
Ma'am, I didn't understand what are the binomial those, ma'am.
What these are trinomials, Nana. 3 terms are there. 3 terms trinomials, so you need to add up right now. Now you only tell what are like terms in that. Please tell me.
Ma'am, is that like terms are
Ma'am, the
No,
last
2B
for
and
the last
3B.
answer it is
5
1
C
minute,
and
1
X.
minute, Ashwata. 1 minute, Ashwata. I want attention of Sriharsha. Please respond, Nana. You are telling
Ma'am,
what are like terms. 1
A
minute, ma. 1 minute.
minus
Very good. A minus 7a.
7A. Ma'am, next one
Okay.
is 2B.
No, sign. For whom you gave sign is also important. Minus 2b
Minus 2B
plus.
plus minus plus 3B.
Very good, Nana. Next, last one.
Ma'am, last one is 5C
Okay. Nana,
minus 8C.
Wonderful. Now you know very well now. Now you know very well, you know. A means what is the answer, children? A means 1 minute, children. A means 1 minute. Hello. Sir. Sir. Okay, sir. Sir, వచ్చేసారా సార్ మీరు? ఓకే, సరే సార్. ఇప్పుడే ధనంజయ్ బయటికి వెళ్ళారు. అదే మాకు కొన్ని డబ్బులు ఇవ్వాలి కదా సార్, అవి ఇద్దామనేసి అనుకున్నాం. ఓకే సార్. ఓకే రైట్ సార్. లేదు సార్ అమ్మ రాలేదు సార్. అమ్మ అక్కడే ఉన్నారు సార్. లేదు సార్, రారు సార్ అమ్మ. నేనే వెళ్ళేసి వచ్చాను సార్. కొంచెం అమ్మ సిక్ అయి ఉంటే కొన్ని పనులు ఉంటే వెళ్ళేసి వచ్చాను. రైట్ సార్. అవునా సార్? ఓకే. నేను మీరు ఇవాళ ఉండని చెప్పి చెప్పలేదు సార్. ఒకసారి ధనంజయ్ సార్. సరే సార్. రండి సార్. ఓకే, రండి సార్. ఓకే, సరే సార్. మీరు టైం తీసుకుని రండి సార్. మీరు రండి. ఓకే, రైట్ సార్.
Ma'am, I have a seven messages. Can you check?
Nana. Sriharsha, very good. Sriharsha, you said eliminated. You are separated correctly. You are correct.
Ma'am, I didn't understand what are binomial, trinomial, those all, ma'am.
Oh, you are joined late. Why you joined late, Nana? Nothing, Nana. I will tell you right now. You see here, how many terms are there in this first expression? This is one expression. How many terms are there? You just see 1, 2, 3 terms, right? 3 means a trinomial. Suppose only 2 terms are having, only 2 is there, means a trinomial. Sorry, only 2 is there. What is that? Binomial. Sorry, Nana. I will tell you. Don't worry about that. Because many things are, if I'm teaching in lower classes, you can catch the points. That's why all maximum words what we are using in algebra I'm giving children. When you are going to senior classes, you won't feel like that terminology I didn't heard earlier.
Ma'am, there are only binomial and trinomial.
No. Monomial. Monomial means single term. Only suppose monomial means the meaning it's mono means single terms like x, only y, comma, or else 5 like that. If only single terms are happening means then we call it as monomial. If two terms are happening like x plus y, only two terms are happening,
Ma'am,
we
I
call
gave
it
one message.
binomial.
Ma'am.
Can you check?
Trinomial means we can, three terms are there like x plus y plus z.
Ma'am.
Three terms.
Only ma'am.
Mhm. Yes,
Ma'am, I
Gagan.
joined late because here there is a power cut, ma'am.
Oh, due to power cut, you joined late, Gagan. Yeah, I recorded the session, the important class you missed. I will help you, don't worry. We are doing addition of algebraic expressions. Please try to follow and see the part, what is missing part you're supposed to watch today, Nana. In cloud, I am recording. Please watch that portion. If you have any doubts, please let me know next class. I can help you. Even same thing for you also, Sri Harsha. Please watch the 10 minutes video first. 10 to 15 minutes. Ashwath, please mute your mic. Please, it's a lot of disturbance.
Ma'am, what happened, ma'am?
We are expansion algebra only we are doing, Nana. Algebra, in algebra, what are like terms, unlike terms, what are types of expressions like monomial, binomial, trinomial, and fundamental operations. In that addition only I'm doing. Addition of algebra expressions. Now, Sri Harsha, till here you understand, Sri Harsha? Sri Harsha.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, here A, only A is there. A means, what is the meaning of A, children? What is the coefficient of A here? No number means it's 1. Yes, 1 multiplied with any number gives the same number, right? 1 multiplied with any number gives same number, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So that we can write it as this one as 1A. The previous very first one you see, children, very first only A is there, nothing is there means 1 minus, what is the coefficient here? -7, and the common is a bracket you have to use and put A, and the next term -2 is coefficient here, and you just add with the next coefficient is 3, the common with the B is a common variable for those, and here variable coefficient of C is 5, and the coefficient of C is -8, and the common variable is C. Now 1 minus 7, Sri Harsha, what is the value of 1 minus 7? You know integers very well.
Ma'am, 1 minus 1 is -6.
Very good, -6A, very good. Next, Nana, -3 plus, wait, Drona, please, -3 plus, -2 plus 3, Drona.
Yes, ma'am.
No, -3 plus 2. You know very well.
-3 plus 2, ma'am.
-2 plus 3.
-2 plus 3, ma'am. It's my
Plus 1.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that? What is that? Please let me, Drona, please respond. -2 plus 3. Opposite signs means what you should do? You have to subtract, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So -2 plus 3, is it same as 3 minus 2, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is 3 minus 2 value?
Ma'am, 5, ma'am. +5.
Hey, 3 minus 2. You have 3 chocolates. You gave 2. How many is left over? 3 minus 2. Nana, opposite signs and subtract cheyal kada Nana, Drona. 3 minus 2. Drona. Drona. Minus,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
minus.
I'm having a doubt, ma'am.
Where, Sri Harsha?
Ma'am, in 1 minus 7, it cannot be 1 minus integer, no, ma'am. Means like 1 minus 1 casually 1 minus 7 like that it can be, no, ma'am.
No, 7 greater number you have, 7 minus 1 you can do possible. 7 minus 1 is 6. But in negative integers, 1 minus 7 is also possible. It is also difference, but greater number having negative sign. So you are keeping -1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next, -2 plus 3. I want correct answer. I want from Drona only. Lohini? Lohini, please respond, Lohini.
Yes.
-2 + 3 entama? -2 + 3, how much?
-5.
Who said -5? Raise your hand.
Ma'am, Lohini only said, ma'am. Ma'am said +1.
No, I want 5. Who are giving 5? I will beat those students. Lohini -2 and +3. Opposite signs means what you should do, Lohini?
Subtraction.
I thought
And
minus
then greater number
minus
sign.
3.
You should subtract and keep the greater number sign. You should subtract and keep the greater number sign.
Ma'am, I do with the, ma'am, I always keep the number line in my head.
That is very important because I only give many examples earlier. Why people are confused? That's why
Ma'am,
teachers.
Ma'am, ma'am, after this sum, can you give one monomial sum example?
Okay. Monomial, yes, I can. Yes. Yes. Lohini, what is -2 + 3? Correct answers will given, then only I will go ahead, or else I will be here. I will be struck here. If you give correct answer,
+1.
I will. If you give correct answer, I can walk, or else I can struck here. Lohini should give correct answer. -2 + 3, and Drona 2.
She said +1.
She said, is it +1 or?
Ma'am, it's +1, ma'am. I
+1,
actually did
ma'am.
a thing wrong,
So
ma'am.
+1b can be written as only 1. See, children, 1 into b can be written as 1 multiplied with any number only b, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of writing 1b, I can use only b. Very good. I can use only b. Next should give by even again Sri. Sorry, not Sri Harsha. Drona 5 - 8.
Yes, ma'am. 5 - 8, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 3.
Which 3? Signs are like our parents, I said. If you tell sign is wrong, you are neglecting your parents. Signs are like our parents. 3 you said. What is the sign of 3?
-3.
Very good. -3.
Yes, ma'am, because
Removing
Ma'am.
8 from 5.
8 is a greater number than 5, ma'am, and 8 has the symbol of minus, ma'am. That means we have to keep minus for 3, ma'am.
Ma'am, but
So,
I have a
ma'am,
doubt,
when you're
ma'am.
Ma'am, so ma'am, when you're asking it, ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's a
I
smaller
have
number.
a doubt.
No. Some one by one, you please clarify. You ask your doubt so that I can clarify your doubts. Now you understand, children. Any doubt till here? Any doubt so that
No,
I
ma'am.
can?
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
Who have doubt?
Ma'am, I'm Harsha, ma'am.
Harsha, please tell Nana.
Ma'am, there is minus and plus, no, ma'am. How, ma'am, it can become plus only, no, ma'am. Minus plus plus.
Opposite signs are there means you should do subtraction, Nana. Always, many times I said in integers. Integers, I said many times, 5 + 5 -8. Opposite signs means what I say, you should subtract and keep the greater number sign. Subtract 8 - 5 and 3. Greater number have negative. So -3. Understood, Sri Harsha? This is once again integer chapter. We are forgetting about integers. That's why I will give many sums on integers once again so that you can perfect with your integers. Yeah. Shall I give right now few bits for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, children. Now your task is ready. You just chase your task. Add. (3a - 5b). This is what, is it a binomial or monomial or trinomial? Sri Harsha, how many terms are there?
Ma'am, monomial.
Mono means single term. Here, how many terms you have?
Binomial.
Ma'am, binomial.
We have to make it into binomial.
Yeah, 2 terms, Nana. 2 terms ante binomial. Single term aithe monomial. So more than 3 terms aithe trinomial. General, we are using word polynomial. Everything we can use a word polynomial. Add. 1 minute, children. I'll give question. 3a and minus 5b, comma, this is one term, and another term is given as a 5a plus a 7b, second term. Third term is given as a, and you have to add all this, 8a minus 2b. Ashwath, can you please tell what are like terms here? Ashwath,
Ma'am, 3
not
3a.
not Ashwath. Sorry, Yedard. By mistake, I'm calling Ashwath.
Ma'am,
Yedard.
I'm not getting that
Yes.
chance from that much time.
I will give. There is one more bit waiting for you, Ashwath. I will come to you. Don't worry. Yedard, please. What are like terms in this? Yedard. Yedard is there in meet, children?
Ma'am, he is there. Wait. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, he's there. Yadav is there.
And Karthik, Gagan.
He's there.
Gagan.
Ma'am, he's there. He's simply not. Yeah.
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Gagan, what are like terms, Nana? Like means the same variable undal, Nana. What are like terms? Variable, same variable అంటే ఏంటి నాన్న? Same alphabet ఉండేవి ఏవేవి? Yes, same variable. What are the same variable terms? Come on.
Ma'am, A, ma'am.
Yeah, A. So what is the coefficient of A? మొత్తం complete term you have to tell, Nana. 3A.
3A, ma'am.
Here in second one.
5A plus 5A plus 8A, ma'am.
This is one. A terms are over. Then coming to B terms. What are B terms, Nana?
Ma'am, 5B.
Sign are our parents. Don't forget signs.
Okay, ma'am. Minus 5B
Okay.
minus.
Minus the plus the Nana.
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
Plus 7B.
Minus 2B.
Yeah, next. Very good, Nana. That's all. Once you, this is over, you can. No, yeah, Daksh.
Ma'am, maybe Ashwath, maybe Yadav can't unmute because ma'am, he chatted.
Okay. Yeah, maybe sometimes some problem with mic or something. Nana, కొంచెం quick గా Nana, this part. Now, what are all numerical numbers you have to take together, Nana? 3 plus 5
Ma'am,
plus
16.
8. Together it's a variable A, and added with what is numerical part here? Minus 5 plus 7 minus 2. Variable is B here, Nana. B. Now 3 plus 5 plus 8 means how much, children? 16.
Ma'am, it's 16.
Then this part who will simplify and give, children?
Ma'am, 0, ma'am.
0, Nana. Very good. 0B. Very good. It's a 0B. 0 multiplied with any number. 0. Wonderful, Gagan. Good job. Right, Nana. That's all. Nana, ఇవాళ కొంచెం వర్క్ చేస్తారా? హోంవర్క్ ఇవ్వనా?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you give monomial that sum?
Yeah, monomial means, Nana, if suppose in an expression having only single term, like 4y only single term, right? Single term means it's a monomial. Suppose an expression having two terms like x plus y. Here two terms are there. So binomial. Trinomial means an expression having more than two.
But less
Expression
than
having three terms.
3.
See here, there are three terms. Three different terms. You have to tell like three different unlike terms. So not like
Yeah.
that is also important, as our student the Varnika said earlier. Three unlike terms we have to take. If like terms means we can further simplify so that we can take as three unlike terms. Unlike terms means Nana, power should be different, variable also not same. If
Ma'am,
variable-
I didn't understand it, ma'am. The monomial, the
No.
4y comma again something again.
No, we
one.
didn't have any. If anything is there, it will go with, suppose here 5y is there. 4y plus 5.
9y. Yeah.
This is what? Like only. Why? Because this y variable is y common here and here, Nana. So we can simplify further. It's 9y.
4 plus 5 and then keep y.
9y is only single term. So it is monomial. Don't worry, Harsha, if you are not getting also, don't worry. We are going many bits so that you can understand slowly. Don't worry about that. You are understanding addition and subtraction, addition of the part. Addition, did you understand addition?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Ashwath Reddy, you have to answer quickly this question. Ashwath Reddy, you have to add up these whatever terms I'm giving.
5y.
5y square z and 14y square z. Sorry, it's 14y square z. Little cautious, Nana. And you have to add minus 10y square z. These all are monomials, only single terms.
I'm done.
What is the answer?
Ma'am, first minus 10 plus minus 5 is minus 15. Minus 15 plus 14 is minus 1. And
Very good.
minus 1 plus y square z, which is minus 1 y square z.
Minus y square z. Wonderful, Nana. That's all. Very good. And anyway, today's homework, please write down 2 bits only. I'm giving. I'm not giving many of bits. Please do these 2 bits as a homework. You have to a minus.
Actually,
Yes. Nana.
actually I'm traveling tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow you are unable to attend class, Nana.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, day after tomorrow I'll attend.
If possible, just listen. If you are unable to write, also just listen, Nana. Algebra is important, if possible. Or else I will record the session. Please go through. If you are having time, please go through the recording.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I can actually attend the class because, ma'am, my flight will reach until then. Ma'am,
Okay.
but I don't know about the homework.
Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. 3a plus 2b minus c. You just add these 2 terms, Nana. You have to add these 2 expressions, not the terms. Next one. 3m minus 4n and 2m minus plus 5n. You just add these 2 expressions and get with your answers. We'll meet in next class, children, because I have other class students are waiting, senior class students. Any doubts in today's sessions? Each and every point is important, Nana. Each and every point is important. If you have any queries, questions from your textbook and foundation books also, please go through the concept. Yes, that's all for the day, children. Bye. Have a nice day, children. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Gagan,
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children. Bye.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Ma'am, did you call me, ma'am?
Yeah, I called Gagan. Please watch the session, children. What you missed earlier, please watch that part.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, Daksh.
Nana.
Bye, Gagan.
Bye.